Hello everyone, new video. Today we are going to talk about systems, to be more specific, productivity systems. So I decided to make a series of videos about productivity systems and all that goes around with it. So all the scheduling, all the writing, all the routines. Today we are going to talk about Notion scheduling and my Notion personal system. So without further ado, let's get started. Before getting into the content, I would like to make videos about business, to more specific business systems and feedbacks, as well as life to life, day to day, etc. All those things in the business sphere. In the comments, please give me your feedback. Tell me what you think, if I should do it, how should I do it. Any feedback would be nice for me.
Here's my homepage. Here's everything you need, the recent things, my upcoming events, in which I will show you later, my to-do list for the day. So here in this part I have the favorites. So the agency navigator, I guess you know the course. So I'm making special notes for myself. For example, today in this morning I watched everything and I made my notes, as well as I had the part-time YouTuber Academy and I making my notes as well. And here we have the tracking system and the accountability part. So here I have the tracker with the days and the habits I'm on the track. So for example, meditation, stretching, journaling, workouts, business work, reading, language learning, and all of that. And I have the formula, the dates, and the calendar to keep track, as well as a chart, of course, to show exactly how much I made or succeed in the day. So as you know, it's not a linear curve, it goes like this. Then we have the weeks. I pinpoint the thing that I think would be a success in my week. So for example, all of this, it was to make all the necessary things for my whole year journey with people in the same circle, etc. And initiate my habit. I do the small to-dos, and then every day, you know, how important to-dos, small to-dos, and the notes for every week, every day. And I'll go deeper into how to actually report and actually get back to work after doing some procrastination or lazy things. So today we're at week 3 and we're Monday, and as you saw, I'm filming a video. Then I have the normal review. So this is a review I do every week. Templates, so the lessons learned, the victory achieved, how many days I conquered, so the good days, the bad days, a question I'm asking myself, the response to the previous question to the previous week, a challenge, and a challenge feedback of the previous week. I do this review. In here I have the review or note-taking system for my books. So I divide my quotes into 3 types. So quotes that got me or were amazing, quotes that I think need more research in my end, quotes that I want to share my opinion in. So for example, I give the quote and I give my thoughts or things that actually could benefit me or my application in my life. I have a journal, for example, why, if I did something bad or a bad habit has occurred, I ask myself why, how I feel, what am I doing right now at the time of day. Here I have the after action report. So the template is this. I knew about this when I read the first book of David Goggins named Can't Hurt Me. And so you make the overview, so the incident name, the date, and the specific, not details, but just simple details to understand the incident in a simple way. Then you have the full detailed report with what you did exactly, how you felt, etc. The strength, what you made that was good, because there's always something good in the bad. How did it affect you personally and mentally? The areas of improvements you need to take into consideration, and the solution. Here I have my video analysis. I still haven't made any video analysis, but it's about my YouTube video. So I take a link on my video and I put the area of improvements and my opinion about the video. So this is to make better videos for you. Here are the marathon trainings. So this is a training I did the 3rd March 2024. So here's my city, so Tangier. I did 2 hours and 15 of running non-stop. Now I'm just getting back since in the summer I didn't do any runnings, so I'm starting for 2 kilometers per week. So that's around 10 kilometers per month. And I'm trying to elevate that and grow it to 20-30 a week by the end of the year. Here are all the books I want to read, but for now I read all these books. I acquired those books, and I'm still reading them. So the Elon Musk part, the 4-hour work week, I started reading it, but I didn't finish it. I have a goal of reading 444 books by the end of 2028 or 2029. So here's my calendar. So I will show you how to make your calendar in an efficient way. So I do the wake up, lunch, and sleep part to actually form my day. And then I leave some space for personal things. For example, here I cannot show you, but in this part I have some simple things that cannot be named, so I just give up a space. I have meditation and stretching, journaling, and then the working part which I am right now. After this video I'm going to the gym, and I'm going to be working again until 12:10. Then I have a free part here in which I can just sit and relax, watch a podcast or anything. And then I have the reading parts, working. Lately I'm studying for TOEFL, so I have sessions, and I'll be working again. As you saw, there's 3 colors for the day. So here, the blue is for self, so everything that I think is self-improvement or that is actually important for me personally as a person. Then here, working is work. And for those who cannot fit in a category, for example, TOEFL session, they're more like a broad thing, not a personal thing.
So with that said, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please leave a comment and tell me what you think about the systems and everything